Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of How To on Living with Francisco, where we cover travel, trending topics, and instructional videos. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to change out the engine air filter on my 2019 6.7 liter Ford Super Duty. According to what I've read, this same process applies to all 2017 to 2019 Ford Super Duties. Now before I begin, I'm going to remind you that I am not a professional mechanic, and you should always contact a professional for professional advice. Just a dude on YouTube, showing you how I do it. And with that, let's begin. To start, you'll want to pop the hood. For my pickup, I used a Motorcraft FA1927 air filter, which I ordered on Amazon. If you want more information regarding differences in part numbers, check out the end of the video. I've linked both filters in the description of this video. As you can see, the engine air filter housing has 4 clips on the housing cover, which are removed easily by prying off with your finger. I like wearing gloves as there are some sharp edges around the battery. The manual instructs you to remove the clamp on the air intake, but this is not necessary and is a waste of time. Once you've pried off the clips, you can remove the housing cover to expose the engine air filter. As you can see, it has a foam pre-filter which faces the engine. I like to wipe the housing prior to installing the new filter, as there are usually bugs and debris that find their way in. The red and green part on the housing cover is the air filter restriction gauge. I've only removed this to show you what the gauge looks like when the filter is restricted and causes a yellow marker to line up with the change filter line. The gauge can be reset without removing by pushing to reset. I don't use this gauge solely as an indicator, as Ford also suggests changing the filter every 30,000 miles. The new FA1927 filter has a wannabe Lego design with 2 female alignment points on the filter and 2 male in the housing. Remember to place the filter with the foam filter facing the opening in the housing, which faces the engine. Once you replace the cover, I suggest reclipping the inner left clip first while tilting the cover its way, followed by the inner right near the battery, and finishing up on the outside clips. Easy peasy. Now I've only had 6.7 liter diesel Super Duties, which use a Motorcraft FA1927 engine air filter, though according to the manual, the part should be 1926. However, if you look online, that is the number for the air filter indicator. Also, according to the manual, the air filter for 6.2 liter Super Duties should be a Motorcraft FA1928. The difference between these two filters being the foam pre-filter, which comes attached to the 6.7 filter. So make sure to check under your hood to verify which filter you need. I ordered my filter on Amazon for about 56 bucks. I've attached a simplified link in the description and in the comments if you want a quick link to buy it from Amazon. For the sake of transparency, I do get a small kickback if you use this link and no extra cost to you. And there you have it. Hopefully this video helped you out, and please remember to like and subscribe. And while you're at it, why not change out the cabin air filter too? Video linked here. Thank you guys, stay safe, and keep on living.